wonder if I have a vacuum leak. So the 4runner kind of runs like shit. This hole needs to be filled, so I'm gonna fill it with these. We'll see if it fits. Get in there. Just needs to fill the hole. Put some Teflon tape on it. I think that's good enough. Oh yeah, that's way smoother. I mean, I guess if I want it to sound choppy and broken, I can always just remove the little guy. I love quick wins. Love those. I am surprised that this isn't a vacuum leak. I guess I don't know where this goes, but the truck seems to run fine, and when I put my thumb on it while it's running, there's no vacuum, so who knows.